Rhetorical analysis is a cornerstone of the AP English language course, challenging students to dissect and understand the effectiveness of communication in various texts. It's a significant part of the curriculum, demanding keen insight and comprehensive understanding. With this skill, students can evaluate communication methods, making it a highly applicable and transferable skill. In this guide, we cut to the chase and provide clear, actionable advice. We break down the process, simplifying the intricate aspects of rhetorical analysis. Our goal is to make this subject less intimidating, more approachable by offering tangible solutions to common problems. We target key areas for improvement, helping every learner to maximize their potential. In this guide, we delve into practical tips and strategies to master rhetorical analysis, aiming to simplify complex concepts for every AP English language student eager to succeed. Rhetorical analysis dives deep into how authors utilize language to influence or enlighten their audience. This method of analysis revolves around dissecting and understanding the intricate elements of persuasion and argumentation. It includes unraveling the concept of the rhetorical triangle, a fundamental model featuring ethos, pathos, and logos. Ethos refers to the credibility and character established by the author. Pathos represents the emotional appeal, and logos signifies the arguments. Authors intentionally tailor their messages, their tone, and their rhetoric for fulfilling a specific agenda or purpose. They skillfully manipulate language to craft compelling narratives or arguments. By pinpointing these elements and choices, students commence the process of decoding the elaborate labyrinth of rhetorical strategies. Rhetorical analysis, thus, helps to unravel the complexity of rhetorical strategies. When approaching a text for rhetorical analysis, it's crucial to go beyond just reading for comprehension. This is the first step in a deeper analytical process. You need to immerse yourself in the writer's world and identify their intentions. What is the author's main driving force? Are they trying to persuade you, provide information, entertain with a compelling story, or provoke thought or emotion? This is the key to understand the text from a whole new perspective. Furthermore, the context is another fundamental factor to consider. When was it written? Why was it composed during that particular time? Who is the target audience? How does the author convey their ideas? These questions will give you a better understanding of the text's background and can greatly influence your final interpretation. Contextual awareness is more than just knowing the basic facts. It involves understanding the cultural, historical, political, and personal circumstances surrounding the text. This gives you a comprehensive view of the author's perspective and can significantly enhance your interpretation of a text's rhetorical. Authors employ a wide array of rhetorical strategies to convey their messages effectively. To create vivid and engaging prose, they invoke the power of a rich and diverse toolkit. Authors paint pictures in readers' minds using metaphors. They draw comparisons to enhance understanding through similes. They breathe life into their words using personification, casting inanimate objects and abstract concepts in roles that resonate with human experiences. Hyperboles are employed to amplify and exaggerate elements, thereby adding layers of drama and intrigue. Furthermore, authors might utilize anaphora, a powerful rhetorical device that involves the repetition of words or phrases to establish rhythm and underscore key points. To intensify their arguments, authors often pose rhetorical questions, sparking introspection and stimulating thought. Each rhetorical device serves a purpose. Your task is to uncover this purpose and evaluate its contribution to the overall. A successful rhetorical analysis essay is structured, clear, and focused. The essay begins with an introduction that presents the crucial elements, the piece of writing being scrutinized, the writer, and a significant thesis statement. This statement outlines the main argument that will be explored throughout the essay. The heart of the essay, the body, delves deep into the rhetorical strategies employed in the here. The reader finds concrete examples from the text coupled with insightful analysis of their effect on the audience. Each paragraph in the body is dedicated to exploring a distinct rhetorical strategy. These individual explorations combine to provide a well-rounded and thorough understanding of the persuasive prowess of the text. Each paragraph focuses on a specific strategy, leading to a comprehensive understanding of the text's persuasive. Mastering rhetorical analysis is a journey, and it goes beyond just preparing for the AP English language exam. This journey is about delving deeper into the richness of language, understanding the subtleties that often go unnoticed, and learning to appreciate the art of effective communication. It's about recognizing the tools and techniques that writers use to persuade, inform, entertain, and challenge. It's about cultivating a keen eye for detail and developing a critical, analytical mind. These skills aren't just for the AP English language exam either. They are life skills that can improve your interactions and broaden your worldview. Practice is key to mastering these competencies. Begin by understanding the fundamental principles of rhetoric, then apply these principles as you explore diverse texts. Remember, every piece of text, whether a novel, a poem, or an advertisement, offers an opportunity to explore and understand the intricate dance of rhetoric.